With some party. I'm half pissed. How's Ben?
I don't think Phyllis makes him happy. I see sadness in his eyes.
I bet you do.
What's that supposed to mean?
Look, Sally, I've been thinking. I'm away too much, and what I thought was, nuts to all this traveling. I'll just tell them at the office that I'm finished on the road. We could go out more, have some fun. I mean, I let you down sometimes. I know I do, but I'll try harder. Honestly, I will. Come on, kid, let's go home.
I wouldn't leave here for the world.
We had a good life once.
When?
Don't talk like that. When we lived in Seattle and the boys were young, and we go off on weekends, all of us, out in the country. God, how green it was. And you were laughing like a bubble.
That was 20 years ago.
We had it once, though. That's the point. I mean, what do you want from me? No matter what I do, it's never good enough. I come home feeling great, and I touch you, and you look at me like I've been living in some sewer.
Well, haven't you been? You've always got a woman someplace. Oh, I know. You leave things in your pockets, so I'll know.
She lives in Dallas, and her
I
name...
don't want to hear about it.
Margie! Margie, that's her name. She works at Neiman's, and she's got a little place. It's quiet there. She gives me books to read each time. And when I'm there, we talk for hours. She cooks for me, and she sews my buttons on. And when we go to bed, it's like she thought I was some kind of miracle. She's 29 and pretty. And you know what my luck is? My luck is I love you. The right girl. Yeah! The right girl. She makes you feel like $1,000,000 instead of what life rented talks. The right girl. Yeah! The right girl. She's with you no matter how you feel. You're not the good guy, you're not the heel. You're not the dreamboat, except you're real. Yeah! The right girl. Yeah! That I got. Hey Margie, come back, babe. Come help me unpack, babe. Hey Margie, hey bright girl, I'm home. What's new, babe? You miss me. You smell good. Come kiss me. Hey Margie, you wanna go dancing? I'm home. Des Moines was rotten and the deal fell through. I pushed, babe. I pushed, babe. I needed you to tell my troubles to. Let's, babe, let's make, babe. Hey Margie, you wanna go dancing? You wanna go driving? Something? Okay, babe. Whatever you say, babe. Wanna stay home? You wanna stay